Hello everyone. The other day I said there's something new coming to the channel, which is these different cars. As you can see, it is 1968, the year I was born. That's when this car came out. Now, over time I will do a review on these cars. I haven't done a review on this car, so might do a review on this one. It's a Holden Monaro HKGTS 327, and this came out in 1968. Now there'll be all the different cars in Australia. Now there's also something else new coming to the channel. Before I tell you, a lot of the times I've said, when it comes to Lego, I try to get a Lego set when I can, because it's so pricey, right? I happened to look on one of the apps you can order things on, and I came across this, and I thought, okay, I'll get it. Cost me $33 overseas. Big bag like this. It's got everything in it, right? And it came with the book. Now it's the old-fashioned camera, and as you see there, you've got Bambi, there's Mickey and Minnie, Pluto, and in the middle, Walt Disney. Now, in Big W, they are selling these. They're selling this Lego set for $130 something, and in other stores, $159. Yet, I got this overseas. Same thing, but only cost me $33. Now, I think it's about high time that prices were put down. But in this country, being the most expensive country in the world, oh no, they want to sell it for a big amount of money. When I looked on this app that I use, that order all the time, is reasonable. There's really good things on there on this app, and the quality's good. Yes. This cost, as I said, this cost me $33. Now, as you can see, if you have a look in these stores, you'll see a box with these on it. Now, of course, someone might say, oh, yeah, it's similar because you're overseas. Well, why is the book exactly the same? So it means that if Lego sets cost less overseas than they do in this country, then from now on, I'll be getting Lego sets from overseas. I will not be going to bloody Big W or Kmart or Target and paying a whopping big prices for things that are so expensive. You'd even think the prices in the supermarkets would drop. But no, oh no. When they have specials, Oh, when it's winter, oh, winter specials. Autumn specials. Summer specials. And then when that season has passed back to the normal price. So you see, anyone that wants to get a Lego set, I'm on Messenger, and if you want it, I'll tell you what app it is on Messenger. Because you see, paying $33 for this is a lot better than paying $150 in the stores here. So that is coming up on the channel. That's something else that's new coming to the channel on Monday. This coming on Monday. So, as I always say, don't forget to put a like, put a comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Take care, guys. Bye now.